Hello YouTube friends and family, it's Vanessa, and tonight I came to share with you something that came in the mail. Yes, got something in the mail today. Worked late tonight, very tired, but I was excited. Could not wait to get home. And we were supposed to get rain today, and so I was worried that the UPS man was going to leave this on the stairs and was going to get rained on. I forget that they put things in plastic bags, but my niece was here today. Because they thought we were going to get like some major snow, ice here in Atlanta. So my niece that lives with me, she didn't have school today. So she was here to accept my box, which I'm very happy she was. Let's see if you can see where my box was from, Coach. And look at the cute little sticker. I love that how they put little stickers on everything. And let's see how they packed it up. I asked them, because this is actually a replacement. I asked them not to... My hand is bothering me today. I think I'm getting arthritis. I asked them actually not to gift box it because I wanted to keep all of the plastic wrap. They told me that if I wanted all of the plastic and not for it to be unpacked out of all of that, that I wouldn't put it in a gift box. I said, that's fine. I don't need the box. And put your little receipt in an envelope. And here is the box. So there was a problem with the first one that I had with the finish. Like there was a little defect in the leather. It almost looked like someone owned it, and I'm not certain if anyone did and then returned it or not, but it had like smudges and there was defects in the leather. So here we go. And it looks like they unpacked it again, and I asked them to leave it in the plastic wrap because oh, this one they actually was missing the dust bag. This one is not missing the dust bag, so that's good. But I really wanted to be able to unwrap it myself, but maybe they wanted to actually unwrap it so that they could inspect it and make sure that there weren't any defects with the leather. This is what's the thoughts that are going through my head, that they didn't follow my wishes and leave it wrapped up, because I have received bags from Coach before. Man, they really tied it up there. Still in the plastic. So here it is. This is my page 27. Page 27. And this one, it's got a little crease in the leather there. I don't know how I feel about that, but this one almost looks like it's in, I don't know, a little worse condition. Here's the tag. Oh, it looks like they put one of these kind of tags, which is normally the kind that's on it when it goes to outlet. But it still had its original on the inside. Hope that focuses for you. So it is the Beechwood Color Block Mixed Media Leather, page 27 is what it is. And then here is the shoulder strap. And see, on the other one that I had, the shoulder strap was still wrapped in plastic. So I guess this is okay, as long as there's nothing wrong with it. As you can see, the strap on this is not very long, so it wouldn't really be a crossbody on me. It's definitely a shoulder bag, and I need more of these, more shoulder bags, because I have a lot of really big bags. And I've noticed that, you know, when me and Tony go out on the weekends, I carry a big bag because I love my big bags, and then we're out for an hour and my shoulder is killing me, or I'm getting tingly sensations down my spine. So let's see. Stand up here so you can see it. Nice length. Nice. I like where it sits. I like the way it feels. The shoulder strap is nice size. Nice thickness. Doesn't feel like it's going to cut into your shoulder any. The hardware on here, I really like the hardware. The, what do you call this? A dog chain clasp? I don't know. Lobster clasp? I don't think that's lobster. I don't know what it's really called. I call it a dog chain clasp. But anyway, it's a lot bigger on this bag than it is on most bags that have that type of clasp. And there's their hang tag. And so this color here is the Beechwood. And this is chalk. And then here is saddle. In the little corners here is saddle. No feet. Does show that it is glove tan leather. Hope I've got that. Yeah. Right for you, genuine glove tan leather. This right here is pebbled, but here, if you can see, is smooth leather. And on the back, smooth. And I think that these colors are the same. These are both Beechwood, but because of this being the smooth leather and this being pebbled, I think it accepts the dye differently. That's my assumption. Don't know if I'm right. Correct me if I'm wrong, if anyone knows the real deal. So here's the inside. There's a pocket there. Pocket there. Very smooth oxblood leather. And then, let's see. You can see inside there. On the, is that the, yeah, there's the back wall. I'm not doing very good here standing up. Maybe I need to sit down. On the back wall, there's a zippered compartment. And then on the front center, there is a little snap compartment. Yeah. Let's open the zipper compartment. See if all the stuff is in there. Yeah, there's the little booklet and the little sleeve with the care card and stuff like that in it. So, it looks like it's in pretty good condition other than that crease right there. So I know with wear, it's going to get creases and bends and dents and things like that with normal wear and tear, but when things are brand new, you don't really want them to come with dents and bends and that type of thing in it already. So hopefully it all works out well. Let me see if is there anything else that I didn't tell you about the bag. See the strap there? It's got 5 notches, so you could make it shorter if you need to, but I don't think I would ever make it any shorter because it's at the perfect length there for my body. Oh, and another thing that I wanted to mention is that some people said that they had trouble getting into it because of the way it's made with this flap, so I really wanted to give that a try. I was able to open it with one hand, but if I wanted to reach in and get something, I'd probably have to reach with the second hand, like I'm doing now, to hold the flap up. But let's try that again. So with one hand, closing it, and then with one hand, lifting the flap. No, I think I'd be able to do it with one hand. If I didn't have my bag overstuffed and everything was right in its place inside, I don't think I'd have a problem. So that's good to know. That worried me. But I'm not worried about that anymore. So there we go. My nice spring colored bag. It's at the perfect length there for my body. I did get let me put my glasses on here so I can see. A little charm to go with it. I ordered the page 27 and a Cooper in the Beechwood color as well, and got them both home so that I could take a look at them and try them on and all of that. And I decided to just keep the page 27 because, like I stated before, I have a lot of big bags, and the Cooper is big. Love the bag, gorgeous bag. I'm going to insert a picture so you can see what it looks like. But I decided not to keep it because, again, it was a big bag and I need more shoulder and smaller bags. So this is the little charm that I got to go with it. Let's pop it on here. Let's see, shall we put it here? Or is it best like there? I think it goes pretty well with it. The hardware definitely matches, and the color looks pretty with it. So yeah, that's it. Quick look at my new page 27 and color block, Beechwood, chalk, and saddle. Thanks for watching. Bye.